Welcome, you're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Monday 26th August, the day of Kefirunu Namankura's 138th birthday, the educational community of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, Louis Beltran, went to Chimpe to participate in the celebrations. The students of the three educational centers went to the Kefirin Park to celebrate a different day where faith, friendship, nature and fraternal sharing were combined. The students' families joined in with the proposal and participated in the Mass celebrated by the Salesian Bishop of Vietma, Bishop Esteban Lasacque, together with Father Antonio Sanchez Lara, parish priest of Chimpe and other invited priests. Youth living at Don Bosco, Makululu and students attending the Salesian primary and secondary school have access to clean water thanks to a project under in Zambia by the Salesian Mission's Clean Water Initiative, Salesian Missions in the U.S. development arm of Salesians of Don Bosco. More than 1,500 youth are benefiting from this project at Don Bosco Makululu, a home for street children from poor areas who have nowhere else to live. Salesians ensure youth have their basic needs met and are able to access education. Another result of Salesian education on the Paris 2024 Paralympic podiums, Ewood Vermont, a past pupil from the Don Bosco School in Ghent, Belgium, one leg amputated, participated in the Paris Paralympics in cycling competitions and has already won 2 silver medals in the C2 men's time trial and in the C2 men's chase. Not to mention that next Saturday, 7th September, the men's C13 road race still awaits him. As the first stage of his 45th apostolic journey, the longest of his pontificate, Pope Francis chose Indonesia, a country that also sees a more than 30-year Salesian presence, where the Salesians have various works and numerous apostolates at the service of young people, and as Don Bosco wanted, especially the poorest and most needy. Indonesia is a Southeast Asian country located between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. The start of the year 2024 to 25 took place at the Don Bosco Institute in Mestre on Tuesday 3rd of September for school teachers and formators at vocational training centers in the province of Northeast Italy, INE. It involved the participation of 750 people, including about 70 new recruits from 16 Salesian institutes in Northeast Italy. The day began with a moment of prayer led by Father Luca, vocational animator, on the theme of the Jubilee of Hope, inspired by the words of Pope Francis. Then followed the introductory greetings by Father Silvio, Provincial, Father Lorenzo Teston, Provincial Delegate for Schools, and Professor Alberto Grilai, Delegate for Vocational Training. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.